Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create an avatar on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has just recently added a new way in which we can just add avatar or just create our own avatar. So what we have to do to create that avatar, first of all you have to just go to your WhatsApp over here, and once you are over here you have to click on three dots and go to settings, and you can see over here that the second option is for avatar. You have to just click on that and you have to click on create your avatar. You have to click on get started and you have to choose the skin tone of your just avatar, like I have just chosen related to mine, and then you have to just choose the hairstyle, which one you prefer over here, and after that you have to click on done again and you have to just click on save changes, and you can see that your avatar is being updated. In order to just look this on your profile photo, you have to just click on next and it will be just personalized sticker on your WhatsApp like this. You can also delete the avatar. You can also just create this as your profile photo. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.